Alright, so what's up, guys? We're gonna talk about the Milwaukee chainsaw. I just got it. It's battery operated. I've been moving to battery operated lawn equipment. I already have the weed eater, and that thing is just as powerful as my gas one. So we're gonna try out this battery operated chainsaw and see if I can get rid of my gas powered chainsaw. I would unbox it for you, but really, this and this is all that comes in a box. So charge it, put it in there. It's brand new. We're gonna add some chainsaw oil, and then we will cut something. All right, so we got the bar chain oil. We go ahead and add this to that. All right, so you ready? All right, it's so cool that you're able to just pick something up and push a button. So let's see if she'll cut. We're gonna cut some oak. All right. This is pretty impressive.
I love it.
This thing just pushes the button and it goes.
You just push it down.
I mean,
So easy.
this is hard stuff here. I mean, yeah.
Mommy, is that hard?
It's supposed to be really hard to do, but this is just cutting right through everything. This is great. I mean, the usage for this thing is probably going to be incredible, especially for you HVAC guys. I know you guys are in there with chainsaws cutting up your holes, smelling up the entire job site. Do everybody else a favor and buy yourself one of these. Has safety on it. You got to pull it back in order for it to work. Little button on the side you got to push and pull the trigger. Look at that. All right, this thing's awesome. It hasn't lost any power. I've gotten through about 10 cuts so far. And if you take a look, you got a picture of this? Battery hasn't even gone down at all.
Really? Whoa.
I'm going to go grab a bucket truck, and we're going to cut down some trees later. And I'll post a video of it. But all in all, first impression, this is awesome. I'm definitely getting rid of my other one. I'll do some other videos. I got 2 or 3 trees that I got to cut down. And I'll do a video on me cutting it down and actually see if the battery lasts, cutting 18-inch sections off of a tree that's cut down. And it will be an oak. And the best part of this thing is that no gas. You just push the button and it goes. I can't wait to cut down these rest of these trees that I got to do. So subscribe to the channel. This is Johnny's Tips and Tricks. And if this helped you out, hit the like button. That helps me out, and hope this helps.